Governor of Lagos State to come for his remarks. Please give your hands around to Mr. Please give it up for Dr. Kadri Obafemi Hamzat, the Deputy Governor, Lagos State, as he comes forth to deliver. Thank you. Mr. Governor of Lagos State, Mr. Kadri Obafemi, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, let me, even though I'm trying to look for the protocol, but let's stand on it without seeing it. So, I really want to talk to all of you, the graduates. So please, if you are graduating today, can you please stand up? Just stand up. Thank you very much. So you know that in our country, a lot of people only talk about negative things in this country. All of you on social media, all sorts of things people say. I beg you, listen only to the positives. You saw people that graduated 2 years ago, 3 years ago. Each one of you, I pray that by God's grace, you become employer of labor. So imagine if each one of you can start next year employ 3 people. I think you are graduating 4,900 4,592 today. So imagine if each one of you can employ 3 people. It is possible, right? So listen to a good advice. If you want to do your business, go to Lagos State Employment Trust Fund. It's a Lagos State government agency. They are mandated to help you. Go to the commissioner there. I saw him before. Wealth creation. He was one. Is okay. Wherever he is, commissioner for wealth creation. I saw him now. We created that ministry of wealth creation, to assist you. So don't listen to bad news. Listen to good news. Those of you that speak Yoruba, you know they say when people go to market. Don't listen to the noise in the market. My body watch out. Not when you go to market, somebody is selling the wood, somebody is selling the you go there for what business you want to do. Your business is how do you grow what you have learned. It is possible you have the skills, you have the knowledge, you can always go back and ask questions. Don't be shy. If you need resources, go to Lagos State Employment Trust Fund. They don't only give grants or money, they also give advice. They teach you how do you keep records of your businesses, how do you run it, how do you encourage your staff, how do you deal with staff. So don't lose your mind by listening to negative noise. Listen to the positive one. God will help you. God will make it possible for you. So please, I beg you, by next year we will track you. I want to see some people that have employed 3, 4 people. Will you be among them? God bless you. Thank you very much. In the name of the Deputy Governor, make some noise. And now is the time we all have been waiting for. Tell your neighbor, are you ready? Ask your neighbor, are you ready? Please, can we all rise? And I'm not standing with you.